Here is the latest warning of violent Typhoon Dolphin from today, 30 July 2026, to the next few days. Subscribe to our channel for daily weather updates. Violent Typhoon Dolphin continues to remain an extremely powerful tropical cyclone over the western Pacific, and weather experts are closely monitoring its future path. There is growing concern that the system could move toward the South China Sea and may approach Hong Kong or pass very close to the city sometime next week. However, the exact track remains uncertain, and residents should continue to monitor the latest official forecast before making any decisions. At the latest update, Typhoon Dolphin, also known as Japanese Typhoon number 13, was located about 322 kilometers southwest of Wake Island. The storm has been moving northwestward at around 17 kilometers per hour, producing maximum significant wave heights of 13.7 meters, indicating extremely dangerous conditions across surrounding waters. Meteorologists say Dolphin is currently being guided by a strong subtropical ridge, which will keep the cyclone moving generally northwest over the next 3 days. A weakening upper-level trough passing over northern Japan is not expected to be strong enough to pull the storm northward. Instead, the typhoon is forecast to slow slightly after about 60 hours before turning onto a more westward track as high pressure strengthens east of Japan. This projected movement has raised attention because it could eventually bring the system closer to the northern South China Sea, including areas near Hong Kong. In terms of strength, Dolphin is expected to complete its current eye-wall replacement cycle and could briefly regain intensity while environmental conditions remain highly favorable. However, another eye-wall replacement cycle may begin within the next 12 to 24 hours, leading to temporary fluctuations in strength. After about 36 hours, the typhoon is forecast to gradually weaken as it moves over cooler waters with lower ocean heat content and less favorable upper-level atmospheric conditions. Although confidence in the general forecast is increasing, the exact track and intensity beyond several days can still change. People in Hong Kong and nearby coastal regions are advised to stay alert, follow updates from the Hong Kong Observatory, and prepare for possible changes in weather conditions if Dolphin continues on its projected path. Stay safe, and thank you for watching.